That man now facing felony drug charges after police say they found more than 2 pounds of cocaine, nearly 4 pounds of marijuana, and a shotgun, along with ammunition. It was during a search on Tuesday. Police say the drugs have a street value of about $40,000.
29-year-old Taha Abdullah was booked in the Clay County Jail. He's facing a felony aggravated first-degree controlled substance with a firearm charge relating to the cocaine.